how to switch players on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So I'm going to show you how we can do this on the app as well as the website. On the app, we want to log in and open our team and tap on the team to view your roster. Next, we will select the player we want to switch. So we just gotta click on the player you want to move and you'll see an option like swap player or bench. The third step will be selecting another player from your bench or another eligible roster spot and confirm the switch. The last step on the app is going to be saving the changes. Some leagues require you to manually save lineup changes. Check for a save or submit button after we have made our adjustments. If you want to do this on the website, first we will log into the website itself. We will go to our team page, so we want to click on our league and then your team to access your roster. Drag and drop players. We want to drag the player you want to replace and drop them in the desired position or bench slot. Alternatively, we can click the player and select switch player and choose the replacement. Next, we will just have to save our lineup. Again, you'll search for submit or save changes and confirm the switch. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.